Hello and welcome to our quick customer guide on Arkadin calling plans for Skype for Business. As part of our cloud transformation services, Arkadin is able to offer SIP telephony and dial-in conferencing services to customers using Skype for Business. So if you have Skype for Business and you want to use its enterprise voice capabilities and provide low-cost telephony and conferencing to your users, we can help. Here are some typical customer scenarios that we see in the market. As of today, you have a range of options to choose from when it comes to your telephony and conferencing. You may have some traditional PBX and conferencing solutions already and may have decided not to invest in a UC transformation yet. This could be because you have an existing PBX or conferencing contracts that you may need to see to term, or you may have hardware investments that you need to realize before switching to unified communications. If you're a multinational organization, you may have PBXs in multiple countries with multiple suppliers, and you may be spending a lot on calls and conference minutes. It may also be the case that your telephony system is aging and due for replacement. Alternatively, you may have already taken the step of investing in a UC transformation and are either already using or are planning to use the enterprise voice features of Microsoft Skype for Business. This makes a lot of sense because you'll be leveraging your network for your voice and video calls and hopefully using a SIP carrier to provide you with some low-cost PSTN telephony services, probably integrated with an on-premises Skype deployment. But to achieve this, you need the expertise to implement enterprise voice. And most likely, you'll need to be deploying one or more gateways, along with the associated licenses and operating costs of managing them. This, of course, is a perfectly viable approach as long as you have the skills or the right partner to implement, and as long as you have a carrier that can provide the SIP services in the countries you want for a price that suits. If you're up to date with Microsoft's strategy, you will know that you have the option of going completely to the Microsoft Cloud with Skype Online and taking their calling plans and conferencing. Microsoft offer fixed-price domestic and international bundles for a small set of countries today. The number of countries is growing, but it's still limited. With Arkadin calling plans, we believe we have a compelling alternative to all three of the scenarios I've just mentioned. By delivering telephony and conferencing over Arkadin's network, we can deliver calling plans to customers who are either on Skype for Business server or who have elected to go with Skype Online as a hybrid with users in the public cloud but with voice services provided by us. Customers get a choice of domestic or international bundles or per-minute rates. We can provide toll and toll-free dial-in conferencing at competitive per-minute rates in dozens of countries. And we bill customers monthly on what they use. Customers don't have to procure gateways in data centers either, because we include a multi-tenant gateway solution in the service. But why buy from us? Well, here are 4 really good reasons. Firstly, flexibility. We offer customers the flexibility of how you want to pay for your telephony and conferencing so that you can tailor according to where your users are and the patterns of calling that you make. If your business makes a lot of domestic calls, then we can offer an unlimited domestic calling plan where users can make as many calls as they need to for a fixed monthly fee. If you don't make a lot of PSTN calls, then per minute billing may suit you as you'll pay for what you use. If you make a lot of international calls, then we even have an international bundle. And remember, any calls within your own organization are going to be over Skype, so they are free. The second reason is coverage. Our relationship with multiple global carriers means we can provide you with telephone numbers and calling plans in over 20 countries. Thirdly, maybe most importantly, price. By negotiating costs with our carriers, we can offer Arkadin calling plans at very competitive rates. Our bundles and our per-minute charges are already very favorable compared with our competitors, and we have the ability to offer you discounts for volume in countries where you're likely to make the most calls. So you stand to make considerable savings in both outbound calls and dialing conferencing. Finally, if you're looking at moving your business over to Microsoft Teams, our calling plans are fully compatible with the Teams direct routing roadmap. So we can take you on the journey to Teams at the pace that fits your business. For more information about how Arkadin can help you on your UC journey, visit arkadin.com. Thanks for listening.